Hi students, good morning. This is Asadna madam. I'm a science teacher of you. Today we are learning about glass. Already we learned about stones, clay, metals. What are these? These are materials. These are materials we get from the earth. From this chapter we learned stones, uses of stones, clay, uses of clay, metals, what are metals, uses of metals. See, ma, you will see many things that are made up of materials. Some materials we get from plants, some materials we get from animals, some materials we get from the earth. Some materials we get from plants. What are the materials we get from plants? Fibers, rubber, wood. These are materials we get from the plants. Some materials we get from animals. Fibers, leather. These are materials we get from the animals. See, some materials we get from the earth. What are the materials we get from the earth? Stones, clay, metals, glass. These are materials we get from the earth. Stones. Stones are cut out from the earth or digging out from the earth. See, what are the uses? Stones are very hard. We get from the earth. See, some stones, for example, granite, marble, coal, chalk. These are examples of stones. What are the uses of these stones? We use it to make buildings and also use it to make floors, roofs, and the roads. This is about stones. Some stones, precious or semi-precious stones. For example, ruby, diamond. These are precious stones. Example of precious stones. Semi-precious stones, topaz, amethyst. These are semi-precious stones. What are the uses of these stones? We use it to make jewelries. Okay, use it to make jewelries. Jewelries means ornaments. This is about stones. Clay. What is clay? Clay is a sticky substance that contains lot of water and very fine soil particles. Where does it available? It is easily available near the banks of rivers or streams. What are the uses of clay? Clay is used to make in pots, used to make in bricks, used to make in cement. You know very well, pots. Ancient people, they used clay things. For example, clay plate, jar, pots, okay, utensils. Same, next bricks. What are the uses of bricks? Used to make in buildings. Cement also, you know very well. When cement mixed with the sand and water, that what is form a paste. That mixture is known as a mortar. Okay, na? Masons laying this paste mortar between the bricks. Okay, na? When we pour water onto them, that become hard. Okay, this is about clay. Next, metals. See, metals are very hard and shiny metal substances that we get from the earth. We get from the earth. See, what are the uses of metals? We used to making utensils, equipments, and some metals we used to make in jewelers. That made metals are very precious materials, for example, gold, silver. Okay, na? Gold, silver, these are metals we get from the earth. These metals we used to make in jewelries. Other metal, some we use commonly iron, copper. Iron, copper, aluminium. These are metals. Examples of metals we used to make in utensils and some equipments. Next, today we are learning about glass. Glass is a material, hard material. Glass is a material, okay, hard material. Say that can be made in many shapes. Glass is a hard material that can be made in many shapes. Okay, say glass is a brittle material. Brittle means easily broken. Easily broken. Hard means not easy to bend. Not easy to bend. How is a glass made? Glass is made from natural abundant raw materials such as sand, yeah, sand, that is known also silica, lime, soda. Okay, glass made from natural abundant raw materials such as sand, silica, lime, soda, lime, soda. Okay, that are melted at very high temperature to form a new substance, that is glass. That is a glass. Okay, Sima, glass is a mostly transparent. What do you mean by transparent? Transparent means a substance through which one can see easily. We can see things through the glass. We can see easily some substances or thing through the glass. Okay, now that is the meaning of transparent, and it can also bear high temperature. So glass is used to make a wide variety of things. Used to make a wide variety of things. For example, Sima, glass uses of first of all, Sima, do you know some glass things are in a color. Okay, see how do they get color? Colored glass is made by adding some coloring materials to a glass mixture. Okay, see ma, now we are going to uses of a glass. Okay, glass used to making things such as window panes, mirrors, and bangles. Yeah, glass used to making some things. Okay, window panes, mirror, bangles, and it is also used to making magnify magnifying glasses and spectacles, spectacles, specs, glasses, and some sima, we can use to glass also we can use to make in bowls, equipments, electric bulbs, tube lights, and in laboratory, for example laboratory equipments. Glass also used to make in laboratory equipments such as a flask, beaker. Okay, and also glass also used to make in lenses of a telescope. Okay, this is about uses of a glass. Okay, next Sima, keywords. First keyword is brittle. First keyword is a brittle. Okay, yeah, read out, pronounce them properly. Now we are going to learn keywords. First keyword is brittle, mixture, sand or silica, sand, silica, lime, soda, transparent, transparent, spectacles, spectacles, vessel, vessel, magnifying, magnifying, laboratory, laboratory, equipments. Equipments means tools, tools that are used for particular work. For example, beaker, flask. These are tools or equipments. Equipments. Next, telescope. Telescope. Okay, these are keywords. Say, yeah, Sima. These are window pens. made up of glass. See, window panes made up of a glass. Next, bangles. Bangles. These are bangles made up of glass. And next, yeah, what is this? Mirror. Mirror. Mirror also made up of glass. Next, what is this? Kitchen tools, utensils, glass utensils. These are glass utensils. These are also made up of glass. Glass tray, plates, bowl, jug. Okay, dish. These are made up of glass. Okay, thanks for watching.